Hello, my name is Carlos Turner Cortez, and I will be the professor for this course. I am a professor at Aspen University in the School of Education, and in this capacity I teach both master's and doctoral level courses. The expectation in both courses are quite similar. Both sets of courses are 8 weeks in length. For each week or module, you are required to complete 2 discussion board posts and 1 assignment each week. The discussion board posts must be completed on time for full credit. The discussion board posts are required to be submitted on time in order to enable a virtual conversation to take place between students on the learning management system. Each week you are also required to complete 1 assignment. These assignments take various forms. Sometimes they are written papers, other times they are PowerPoint presentations, sometimes they are videos that you need to produce, and other times they take the form of case studies. The assignments will vary from week to week. These assignments are all due by the last day of class, period. In other words, I do not deduct late points for any of the weekly assignments because I recognize that you are all working adults and will complete the assignments at your earliest convenience. Please do your best to complete each assignment on time to ensure that you do not get bombarded during the last week of course with 8 assignments to complete. However, again, only the discussion board points will be charged with late points if not completed on time. All of the other assignments that are required for the course must be completed by the last day of course, and no late points will be deducted. In my opening announcement on the news page, you will find information to contact me, including my phone number and cell phone. I am available 7 days per week from 9 in the morning until 9 p.m. at my cell phone. Please do not ever hesitate to call me. You are never a bother. It is my responsibility to be available to you. If you email me and do not hear back within 24 hours, please send me another email because it's very likely I did not get your message. I wish you tremendous success this semester and throughout your degree program here at Aspen. Please reach out in any case or any event. I am always here to help. Have an excellent day.